my god. Wait. What?
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it.
Bruh, this is crazy. That thing is insane. But don't bullshit me, this is ain't my car. Anyway, you did a hell of a job, guys. I really appreciate that. This is a monster. Hey, let's turn on the lights, bruh. Hey, what the fuck?
I'm so fucking cute, bitch. I'm so fucking cute. Attitude abusive, but I'm so fucking cute.